Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. With the outstanding variety of chicken coops we offer, there's sure to be one perfect for you. And isn't it good to know that these pre-manufactured coops are not kits? They're delivered fully assembled and ready for same-day use. Spotlight on the Quaker Coop. The Quaker Coop is instantly recognized thanks to its distinctive salt box roof style. This 4-foot by 6-foot Quaker Coop is perfect for flocks of 10 to 12 hens. Shown here with LP SmartSide siding in white with black trim and charcoal shingles. The vent and windows are covered by protective wire mesh that allows for fresh air and natural light. A lockable chicken door that can be latched open allows your chickens to free range if you choose. A large lockable man door on the side provides easy entry to tend your flock and clean the coop. Enjoy simple egg collection with the external, full-width nesting lid supported by a gas prop strut. Inside, you'll find plenty of room with wooden roost bars and 6 nest boxes. The epoxy-coated floor allows for easy maintenance. That's this Quaker Coop, and we'd be glad to make one just for you. Choose your size, colors, siding, roofing, then customize from a wide variety of options and upgrades to best fit your needs. Want to know more? We invite your call or email for more information, or stop by our website at horizonstructures.com. You can see all the models, options, and pricing. You'll also find some in-stock models available for quick shipping. Chicken coops by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.